song from DK and DBRC. Before starting this song, I want to take permission from our Yeshudas sir and other earlier brothers and sisters, singers who have sung this song in some melodious tune. Please give me the permission for singing this song. And thank you very much for giving the permission. It would be very kind of you to give the permission for singing the song. Second live telecast is going on at this time. Still hearing and whispering is fully strictly prohibited. And underaged and undesirable persons are fully strictly prohibited for hearing this song. All the Indian classical music lovers and respected and generous viewers are most welcome in this musical program. I know there may be mistakes in my wordings and tunings, but my all the generous and respected viewers would excuse me for my mistakes and errors. With this hope, this song is going to present in your service. Ramadevanam Vindum Ramadevanam Vindum Veduradam Chori Shuksayanam Ole Shuksayanam Ole Yeni Deepam Ramadevanam Vendum Yeduradam Chodi Shuksayanam Pole Yeni Deepam Kadini Yeni Deepam Kadiyambo Kumbeda Nirayambo Ramadevanam Vendum Veduradam Chodi Shuksayanam Pole Shuksayanam Pole Yeni Deepam Vardaniyambo Kumbedutha Nirayambo Ramadevanam Vendum Yededo Katail Ramadevanam Vendum Veduradam Chodi Shuksayanam ಕಡೆ ನೀರು ಎಂದು ಏನೇದೋ ಕಥೆயில் யமுனை யமுனை வனமாலை ரொம்ப மாயின்னி ஏதேதோ கதையில் யமுனை வனமாலை எதுக்குள்ளும் மதுரம் முரளி ஒரு கம்பம் நானும்போ கீதம் இந்திரா ராமதேவனம் வேண்டும் ராமதேவனம் வேண்டும் எதுராகம் யோடி சுக்கட்டாயானம் போலே ஏனி தீபம் கடநீரமோ Earlier I had to take back for the request. Earlier I had requested you to give me the to give me excuse my mistakes and errors in this song. I know it is fact because I am a North Indian singer and there is so much obstacles in southern language, but because I am a local teacher of Saraswati Shisu Mandir, so I attempt to sing these songs in southern language. It is my attempt. How would you like my attempt? Thank you very much for your highness for hearing, looking and taking interest in this video. Many thanks again and again. Thank you very much for your highness. Thank you.